Welcome everybody to the Blue Bike and Doors channel, as we're going to go for a ride, going riding, just everyday riding. We're going over to the Hog Chapter barbecue picnic at the Oxford Civic Center Lake. So didn't do much recording yesterday at the car show. Here's some clips. So we're here at the car show. No bikes allowed. We're gonna walk down there and see what to see.
Right there, though. Yeah.
It was humid.
Hardest part of this walk is getting out of here.
Getting out of the car. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
Hi, welcome back everybody to the Blue Bike and Doors channel, as we just going for our Sunday fun ride over and picnic over a Hog Chapter over at the Oxford Civic Center Lake, or Oxford Lake as they call it, I believe. So I hope you enjoyed the little clippets from the car show. It was really too hot. Goats! It was just, I don't know, just wasn't in it hot. We just kind of hung around and talked to our friends and all. And shoot the bull, hung out with the German Abraham down in his store. He's a cosplay person, makes a lot of Walking Dead stuff. He looks like Abraham, but he's from Germany. So he's got a thick German accent. And then Chris Kirkpatrick was down there. He was one of the highwaymen from season 9. He also got killed in it. You can Google him and see his scenes and all. And then that's about it. So yeah, day's Sunday, fun day, I guess you could call it. So basically, I was just gonna do a little riding right over there. I also want to check out. I'll put the links up right here of the last year's car show. It's pretty much all the same. Same cars, same trucks and all. Just different location where they parked. Welcome back everybody. Welcome you back. How you doing? How you doing? How you mom and them? Yeah, how you mom and them doing? Well, bless her heart. We just entered Talladega National Forest, right up here at this overpass, viaduct, whatever you want to call it, is Mount Cheehaw Parkway, Highway 281 South, 281 South, gonna be going. Yeah, I guess you are going south. I don't know what I'm thinking. A couple of directions there. I don't know what old Smokey Bear down there saying. Hi, bitch. High alert for fire. Come on, get it in gear. Well, this is the starter of Mount Cheehaw Parkway. 300Z. Sunday fun day. It's probably the best part to me, this lower section. Just cause these curves right here. Look at that. Set your lean and stay in it. Nice smooth world. This is first overlook. Nobody down there? Ooh. Did I lose my bail? Second overlook. So yeah, just running up through Mount Cheehaw Parkway, highest point in Alabama. Worth seeing. Maybe we'll get old shade tree up here next week, or well, this week. If you got time, I doubt it, because Barbers about 80 miles from here, maybe, give or take. I hear my bell. There it is. There it dingling. Get a lot of scraping here, but because once I scrape, that means don't lean no more. Yeah, so Sunday Funday. How about some little shout outs today, just on Sunday Funday, the Sun's Day. I don't know if you're religious or not. There comes a motor scooter. I do. So yeah, let's give a shout out to Moto Sarge. I put his link with all the links up right here. Check out Moto Sarge. He's got a pretty good channel if you're into photography and all. What if he knows Chris Lineberry? That's another one's into motorcycles and photography. Check out his channel too. We should get Chris up to 1,000. I mean, he's pretty close, and Moto Sarge is down there around about, he ain't broke 100 yet. So he does a lot of good teaching and oratory for the layman term, as I like to call it, about ISOs and all like that, setting your camera up so you can take a very good picture. Plus he does a lot of riding, and he's a military man. So yeah, go check out Moto Sarge and Chris Lineberry if you're into photography. One more, well, let's give out 2 more shout outs. How about, we ain't heard much from old Moto Ricky Ricardo, another military man. He's retired, reserve army right now. Works up there in our national capital in the security force industry. What he does is top secret. You don't never know. But he ain't been putting out many videos. He does a lot of camping, moto camping. So let's go there and give Moto Ricky Ricardo some love and boost him up. Maybe get him to tell him we're missing his videos. So let's do one more. How about Ride On 2? Now he needs to be up there a little higher. You know, he got a good channel, got good audio, got good content. Go check out his channel. Check out all these channels. So I'm gonna enjoy my little ride for a little bit longer up Mount Cheehaw Parkway. So we'll be right back with some more Sunday Funday fun, I guess. Woohoo! We just do a little bit of everything. Now we on the big road, the interstate, the slipper slab, I-20. At a Harley store, see what's going on. Don't look like nothing's going on. They ain't open yet. We are going to do a little roadside attraction deal. This hickey dooger man right here, the pizza metallic pizza man, that is on the roadside attraction. Mellow mushroom pizza man. My horse through the old town road. So we're supposed to be over here at Pavilion 4 and 5. So this stops for late. It's got the playground, splash park. I should have bought my my bikini and I could have played in the bash park. Ooh, got the police popos security guard sign thingy up. So let's go see if we can't find 4.5.
Boy, ain't it hot in that van? Got the duckies out here. Yeah.
Little barbecue and pinto baked beans, potato salad, potato chip, bunch of desserts. Yeah, not bad for a little small chap to get together. Yeah, Sunday Funday. Just out riding around. Boop boop. Yep. Still plugged in. 95 degrees. Had a good picnic. Socialized with other hog chapters. Didn't win no money. Oh well. They do a 50-50 drawing and then a money tree. So is anybody going to Barbers next weekend? I'll have this out. I might put it out Tuesday. Just to run it through and then see if anybody's going to Barbers. And I'm going to be there all 3 days, Friday, Saturday, and some of Sunday, I guess. And hopefully old Shade Tree makes it up. Shade Tree searching. I don't know what he's got planned or what he's going to be doing or if he comes up, if he's got anything planned or where we'll be at. And maybe I'll see y'all there at Barbers Vintage Motorcycle Festival. We'll be out there, me and old Hammer Eye, 85. He'll be there Saturday. I don't know if he'll come Sunday too, maybe. And be out there somewhere. Look us up. Send us a message over on Instagram. Same, the Blue Biking Door. I'll put a link down there if I forget to think about it. Anyway, y'all enjoy your rest of your week and have your ride safe, and we'll catch you on the next one. And you can check out this video and this one, and remember to hit the subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one. We coming in this 45-mile-an-hour zone. Y'all ride safe.